never miss a lead again, and ditch manual data entry for good. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up Zapier to automatically funnel all your new leads directly into a Google Sheet, making lead management a breeze. First, let's set up the trigger in Zapier. Click Create Zap. For our example, we'll use Facebook lead ads as a source search and select it then. Choose the trigger event New Lead. You'll then connect your Facebook account, authorize Zapier to access your lead ad data once connected. Select the specific Facebook page and the relevant lead ad form you want to pull leads from. Now, it's time to test your trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample lead from your selected form. This ensures everything is connected correctly and gives us data to work with for the next step. Next, we define the action sending the lead data to Google Sheets. Search for and select Google Sheets for the action event. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account and authorize Zapier to access your Google Sheets. You'll then select the specific Google Sheet you want to populate if you haven't created it yet. You can do that now in Google Sheets. This is where the magic happens. Field mapping. Match the fields from your Facebook lead ad, like name, email, phone number, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Ensure each piece of lead information has its designated spot. You can create new columns in your Google Sheet as needed. Before turning it on, test your action. Zapier will show you a preview of the row it's about to create in your Google Sheet. Review it to confirm the mapping is accurate. Finally, give your Zap a name, like Facebook Leads to Google Sheet, and click Publish Zap. Congratulations! From now on, every new lead from your Facebook form will automatically appear in your Google Sheet, saving you hours and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks.